Okay, this is homework 6 and I'm demonstrating the ALU tied to the finite state machine. First I'm going to show you part 1, and this is the ALU of part 1, and here you see that for the ALU the finite state machine will be cycling between these 4 operations. First we have AND, then OR, NAND, and NOR. So if we go over to the waveform and see our inputs, these are the inputs to the ALU output. And you have also a clock and reset. So we're going to go ahead and cycle through and see what happens. I'm just going to go through a couple times and then demonstrate what's going on. So first, right here, we have the input 1 being 0, 1, 0, 0, input 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. In the first cycle, as I said, it's AND. So they're being ANDed and the result is correct. Then as the clock switches, hits the rising clock edge, and we see that the ALU has now been changed to OR due to the change of the state from the finite state machine. In OR, the output is correct because in either of these there's a 1 in every spot. Again, when the clock cycles again, we go to NAND, which this is correct. We don't have a 1 in the output because there's not an instance where there's both a 1 and a 0 in the same spot for NAND. So we're just going to cycle through some more and show you where the input actually changes. So the input values change here, and when those input values change, we cycle through the rising clock edge. So AND first, and then we cycle through OR, and then NAND and NOR. So this would be our AND right here, and this is the OR, and NAND, and finally for the NOR, we see that the output is correct because there is only this instance where neither of them is 1. The output's correct for that as well.